Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are traveling from Montreal to Los Angeles with Air Canada on an Airbus A220-300. Approximately 5.5-hour journey across US airspace. I will share with you what it's like inside the aircraft as well as what I see out the window from my seat. The check-in process, going through security and transport immigration took about 45 minutes. The terminal consists of many concession stands, cafes, takeout counters, as well as sit-down restaurants. I am at the gate. All I have to do now is wait for the arrival of the aircraft. Here it is. I really like the Montreal airport. It is fun to see over the apron area from the gatehouse. It looks like it is the first flight of the day for this aircraft. You see the jet engine covers are still on. About 25 minutes for departure. I see the jet bridge is connected and the baggage carriage is also ready with our luggage. Time to board. Air Canada Airbus A220 consists of a 36-row beautiful cabin with 2-3 layout in economy and 2-2 in business class. Each seat comes with a personal entertainment touchscreen as well as charging ports for your electronic devices. Economy class offers 19-inch wide seats with ample legroom, one of the widest I've seen in economy. I usually reserve a window seat to the front of the aircraft as possible. With only 10 minutes delay, we started our pushback from the gate. Over there, you can see two other Air Canada aircrafts with different livery. The light blue was the old branding, and what you see on that Boeing 737 MAX 8 is the current branding. Kind of a retro look. Due to the weather in Montreal in the winter, de-icing is a necessary step. The wings get sprayed with a solution just before takeoff to prevent ice buildup. We are all set for takeoff. Let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. While we are soaring through the clouds, let me show you what's available in flight. Wi-Fi can be purchased in flight or prior. I am surprised that it is for a fee. Even low-cost carriers offer free Wi-Fi on board for at least for texting on messaging apps. Anyways, each entertainment unit is equipped with USB Type A and C ports for personal electronic devices, a stereo audio port, and AC power outlet at each seat. The on-demand TV gives access to movies, TV shows, music, destination guide, menu on board, news, weather forecast, games, arrival information for your destination, and of course, the flight map. We're still in Canadian airspace near Ottawa. The catering service started 20 minutes into the flight. Just non-alcoholic beverages, nothing else. Not even a bag of pretzels or nuts. Also, there is no meal service included in the ticket price for North American or Caribbean flights. I am disappointed on Canada's flag carrier, which is not a budget airline. However, there are food items you can purchase off the bistro menu, on board or off their website. My opinion is it should offer complimentary hot meals on flights longer than 2 hours. Currently, we have crossed over to US airspace, flying over Lake Huron, heading towards Michigan. Let's enjoy how diverse the US landscape is from up here. Okay, it's time for a break. Let's check out the facilities in the back. The loo consists of the basics only, no special amenities, and not exactly the cleanest. That's just the passenger's fault for not keeping it clean for the next person. Now we are right above the Big Sioux River that separates Iowa and South Dakota. While we were flying through Nebraska, I wasn't able to capture much of the landscape below due to thick cloud cover. See if you can spot an airstrip below and an aircraft in flight. Let me know in the comments below. Wait till the end of the video and I will show you. See the difference in the landscape just in the state of Utah? We've reached the state of California. Soon we'll start the descent to Los Angeles. That's it for this video, our first one on an airplane on this channel. Thank you for staying till the end. Your presence is much appreciated. See you on the next video.